Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is GM Media World. Today I'm going to tell you guys how you can make a blurry photo to be sharp in case you mistakenly shoot blur. Yeah, this is a picture. I shoot this picture with a low shutter speed, so give me blur photo. So now for me to make it very sharp, it's just easing step up. Guys, before we do this, please follow my channel, subscribe and like my video, and hit the notification button in case anytime I drop video, and you will be the first person to be notified. So as you can see, this photo is blurred, so I just add a little color correction to make it very red. I just added a little correct correction. So let's jump on it right away. So before we start do anything, this is the background layer. This is the background layer. This is the layer. Add color to it, but don't worry, it should not deceive you. Okay, we all need just one layer. And before we go right now, we are going to duplicate this layer, which is Ctrl J. Your keyboard Ctrl J to make it to copy. Make a copy of the layer. After you make a copy of the layer, so what you do, you have to go to filter in your Photoshop. Go to filter and you go to order, then you go to iPath. And so the idea of this iPath is that this iPath, it came out like this, or it came out like this. So the higher the number of this radius, the higher the sharpness of your photo, while the lower the number of the radius, so the more, like, the lesser the sharpness of your photo. For this aspect, we are going to use the radius of, like, let's say 3.5. let's see I come. Okay, let's hit OK. So if you hit OK, you see everything still remains the same, it's just like a pencil draw. But don't worry, so what you gotta do, just go to normal. This is your mode here. You can click on this normal, then you just go to vivid light. So when you hit vivid light, you see your photo come back to normal. So now you can zoom it and see that, yeah, you have a sharp photo now. This is before and this is after. This is before and this is after. This is before and this is after. So for instance, you say, oh, I still want it more sharper, you can go ahead and delete this, then go again, make a copy of the same layer. This is blur, then go to filter and then order, then high pass. Then you can also increase the version again, or the value of the number. Then let's say 5. Let's make it more sharp. More sharp, yes, let's make it more sharp. Okay, 4.4 is okay, sharp enough. Okay, see the same process. We go vivid light, click OK. So now the photo is more sharp and you have this color noise. Yes, it's more sharp now. Yeah, very good. So it's more sharp now. So you can see the before and the after, before and the after. Okay, so after then you have to hold your control, click on the layer and the your matte picture. Then I want to merge this layer together. Just merge the layer together, then you have just one layer. So just one layer. So guys, it's very easy to make your blurring photo sharp, just in case you mistakenly shoot blur to your client. And this is how you can do it. Then you can go ahead and do your normal photo retouching. Okay, so guys, this is what we have for you today. So guys, see you in our next class. Stay blessed.